Who created Doraemon?
Doraemon was created by the Japanese manga artist Fujiko F. Fujio.
When was Doraemon first introduced?
Doraemon was first introduced in 1969.
What kind of character is Doraemon?
Doraemon is a robotic cat from the future.
From which century does Doraemon come?
Doraemon comes from the 22nd century.
Who sent Doraemon to the past?
Selwashi, Nobita's great-great-grandson, sent him to the past.
What is Doraemon's main purpose?
Doraemon's purpose is to help Nobita live a better life.
What color was Doraemon originally?
Doraemon was originally yellow.
Why did Doraemon turn blue?
He turned blue after a mouse bit off his ears and he cried until his color faded.
What is Doraemon's favorite food?
Doraemon's favorite food is dorayaki, a sweet pancake filled with red bean paste.
Where does Doraemon keep his gadgets?
He keeps all his gadgets in his four-dimensional pocket.
What is Doraemon's favorite gadget?
His favorite gadget is the bamboo copter that helps him fly.
What is Nobita's full name?
Nobita's full name is Nobita Nobi.
What kind of student is Nobita?
Nobita is lazy and often gets poor grades.
Who is Nobita's best friend?
Doraemon is Nobita's best friend.
Who bullies Nobita the most?
Gian and Tsuneo often bully Nobita.
What is John's real name?
Jan's real name is Takeshi Goda.
What is John known for?
He is known for his strength and terrible singing voice.
What is Tsuneo's full name?
Tsuneo's full name is Tsuneo Honikawa.
What is Tsuneo's personality like?
Tsuneo is boastful and loves to show off his wealth.
Who is Nobita in love with?
Nobita is deeply in love with Shizuka Minamoto.
What does Shizuka like to do?
Shizuka loves playing the piano and violin.
What happens between Nobita and Shizuka in the future?
They get married in the future.
What subject does Nobita hate the most?
Nobita hates mathematics the most.
What kind of person is Nobita's mother?
She is strict but cares deeply for Nobita.
What is Nobita's mother's name?
Her name is Tamako Nobi.
What is Nobita's father's name?
His name is Nobisuke Nobi.
What job does Nobita's father have?
He works as a salaryman in an office.
What is Doraemon afraid of?
Doraemon is afraid of mice.
What is the name of Doraemon's sister?
His sister's name is Dorami.
How is Dorami different from Doraemon?
Dorami is yellow and more responsible than Doraemon.
What does Dorami like to eat?
Dorami loves melon bread.
What is Doraemon's main tool for flying?
His main flying tool is the bamboo copter.
What is the name of the gadget that helps time travel?
It is called the time machine.
Where is the time machine kept?
It is usually kept in Nobita's desk drawer.
What is Doraemon's pocket called?
It is called the four-dimensional pocket.
What is Doraemon's favorite pastime?
He enjoys eating dorayaki and watching TV.
What is Nobita's dream job?
Nobita dreams of being a space explorer.
What is Shizuka's biggest fear?
She is scared of ghosts.
What is Gian's biggest dream?
Gian dreams of becoming a famous singer.
What is Tsuneo's main hobby?
Tsuneo loves boasting and taking pictures of his rich lifestyle.
Who usually saves Nobita from trouble?
Doraemon always saves Nobita from trouble.
What kind of student is Shizuka?
Shizuka is intelligent and kind-hearted.
What does Nobita usually do during exams?
He often fails or cheats with gadgets.
What is the shape of Doraemon's bell?
The bell on his neck is round and golden.
What does the bell on Doraemon's neck do?
It helps him detect danger and communicate.
How does Doraemon help Nobita in his daily life?
He uses futuristic gadgets to solve Nobita's problems.
What is the name of Nobita's teacher?
His teacher is known as Sensei.
What is Nobita's teacher like?
He is strict and often scolds Nobita.
What is Doraemon's favorite TV show?
He likes watching action and superhero shows.
What kind of movies are based on Doraemon?
There are animated movies featuring Doraemon's adventures.
What is the name of the Doraemon theme song?
The main theme is called Doraemon no Uta.
What language was Doraemon originally in?
Doraemon was originally in Japanese.
Which company produced Doraemon's anime?
It was produced by Shin-Ei Animation.
When was the first Doraemon anime broadcast?
The first anime aired in 1973.
What color are Doraemon's eyes?
Doraemon's eyes are white with black pupils.
What is Doraemon's body shape like?
He has a round body with no ears and a big smile.
How tall is Doraemon?
He is about 129 centimeters tall.
How much does Doraemon weigh?
He weighs around 129.3 kilograms.
What kind of animal does Doraemon look like?
He looks like a cat but is actually a robot.
What kind of power source does Doraemon use?
He is powered by a small nuclear battery.
What is Nobita's favorite gadget?
He loves the Anywhere door.
What does the Anywhere door do?
It allows the user to travel anywhere instantly.
What gadget helps Doraemon shrink things?
The shrink light helps him make things smaller.
What gadget allows time travel?
The time machine allows travel through time.
What kind of personality does Doraemon have?
He is caring, wise, and sometimes emotional.
What happens when Doraemon gets angry?
He scolds Nobita or refuses to help him.
How does Doraemon show affection?
He comforts Nobita and encourages him to do better.
What happens when Nobita loses his gadgets?
He gets into trouble and asks Doraemon for help again.
What is the color of Doraemon's collar?
His collar is red.
What hangs from Doraemon's collar?
A small yellow bell hangs from it.
What kind of stories are shown in Doraemon?
The stories show friendship, imagination, and life lessons.
What does Doraemon teach children?
He teaches kindness, creativity, and problem solving.
What kind of home does Nobita live in?
Nobita lives in a small house with his parents.
What does Nobita often borrow from Doraemon?
He borrows different futuristic gadgets.
What happens when Nobita misuses gadgets?
Things go wrong, and he learns a lesson.
What is Doraemon's dream?
His dream is to make Nobita successful and happy.
What is the name of Doraemon's movie about dinosaurs?
It is called Doraemon Nobita's Dinosaur.
What kind of setting is used in Doraemon stories?
The stories are set in modern-day Japan with futuristic elements.